All right, lately when you've been ironing, if this feels like it has no more padding underneath it, I'll save you a little bit of money. You do not have to go out and get a whole new ironing board or even a new cover if your one is pretty good. If this is what you're feeling and kind of seeing these shapes as you're ironing, you just might need some more padding underneath. So I'm going to try this one right here out. See, it's nice and thick. When you order it, it comes the length of your ironing board, so check out the length. And just cut it to fit right to the top of your ironing board. Place your cover back on. Now it has lots of padding. Well, there you go. Don't throw your ironing board out. All you may need is a little extra padding underneath, and you're going to be good to go.